True Cape Teens, yep, that is us. I'm your host, Melo Mulata, and I've got the latest in fashion, tech, and gaming just for you. We are like True Cape apples, have one a day and keep the boredom away. But first things first, let's find out what is trending around the world.
I think you are hurt by feelings on 28-year-old who looks 16.
I know the feeling. I know the feeling.
You have to stop pretending you don't want a...
pretending you don't.
Oh, so cute!
They have short legs and long bodies, and they make our life.
Oh, so cute. I want one. I do.
How much matrix need to study for normal exam tests? Let's see. Prelims?
That's true. Prelims count way more. Very true. And that's it. Have you heard of hashtag Celebrate Mzansi? This is a really awesome trend that is making me proudly South African. Influencers and TikTokers are going around sharing videos and pictures in their cultural clothing and sharing their foods and music in their tradition all around social media. It is really cool, awesome, and colorful, and it is showing our South African rainbow nation. Share with us on our social media platforms and do check out hashtag Celebrate Mzansi. Have you heard of TikToker Bella Porch? Well, you have to check her out because her following has grown up to 27.5 million in just a couple of weeks. And her hashtag FaceZoom videos have reached 168 million views. Imagine that many views. And yes, I did say FaceZoom, it is back with a bang. It was actually popular towards the end of 2019, but now it's coming back and more TikTokers are using FaceZoom. The FaceZoom effect is exactly what it sounds like. So basically, it's an effect that you can add on your TikTok videos so that the camera can automatically zoom into your face. Most people use this effect so that the camera can focus on their face in a close-up shot. But now let's move right along to one of my favorite topics, and that is fashion. Despite only going on your feet, footwear has evolved over the years, not only from being practical and functional, but now it has become stylish and trendy. Whether it's on a runway or on store shelves, shoes have become more than just an ordinary wardrobe accessory. And now you can make your shoes even more special with your own DIY style. DIY footwear designs will give you new shoes without any cost. For those who eat, sleep, breathe shoes, and the hardest thing to do is to walk past a pair of sparkling shoes and you realize that you just don't have the funds. If you find yourself in this predicament, then you need to turn to more inventive ideas. Start looking at the existing shoes you already own and thinking of ways to change them up. Not only will you be saving a large sum of money, but you'll be making something completely personalized. Only you and a handful of people will be caught wearing them. A quick search on youtube.com and just like that, you can get great ideas on how to turn your shoes into a cool DIY style. So now most of us have seen or used pop sockets before, right? And they are everywhere and they're used to protect our phones in a functional but stylish way. Pop sockets have just launched Pop Socket Nails, which are the first press-on, ready-to-wear instant manicure kits that will coordinate perfectly with the matching pop grip, which is included in the kit. There are a variety of designs to choose from, including starry skies, rose gold metallics, and other finishes to choose from. The press-on nails are designed to last about 5 days of wear, which is ideal for those of you who love to change up your style often. Notably, the nail designs do coordinate with non-medical masks. Imagine that, nails, pop grip, and mask matching, super cool. But now, what is the latest on tech? Your time to swing through New York like Spider-Man has finally arrived, and in a breathtaking virtual reality. Now you can finally have the chance to scale and swing from the highest towers in Manhattan. Just pick one of your 4 Spider-Man suits and you will be launched into the clouds. But keep your eyes and ears peeled. A dangerous enemy is waiting and only you have the power to find and confront New York's latest baddie in this thrilling swinging adventure. Based on the film, the Spider-Man Far From Home VR experience is a fast-swinging thrill ride through the eyes of your favorite neighborhood Spidey. It's an experience, so don't expect to get hours and hours out of it. And also, it is free. Mahala! So if you find it interesting, go ahead and play that game. And also share your comments with us. Don't forget the hashtag TrueCapeTeens. On to gaming news now, and the latest adventure in the Spider-Man universe will build on and expand Marvel's Spider-Man through an all-new story. Players will experience the rise of Miles Morales as he masters new powers to become his own Spider-Man. Users may have a few questions around this newbie, such as what's the secret behind his powers? How will he master them? What new and familiar enemies will rise up to challenge this all-new Spidey? And will Miles live up to Peter Parker's legacy? No matter what the questions is, the answer is this. We're so pumped to see Miles Morales get his turn in the spotlight with this standalone side story of sorts for PlayStation 5. It's not a proper sequel to Insomniac's Spider-Man, but it's said to be more like Uncharted Lost Legacy in scope. Sony is promising technical improvements to the open-world superhero experience thanks to the power of the PS5. And after the hype of Into the Spider-Verse, we're looking forward to swinging around Manhattan with Miles. And hey, it's coming to PS4 too. Also, did you know that in TrueCape's game Fruitful, you can create your own farm? Well, do check it out and have some relaxing and engaging fun with your family and your friends. The link is on your screen. So the last episode we spoke about cardio training, but on this episode we are going to be talking about strength training. As teens, we don't have to hit the gym and pump iron daily, but strength training is a component of a healthy fitness plan when included 3 times per week. Strength training can help with weight management and can include anything from body weight exercises, squats and crunches for instance, to lifting light weights. Today though, we are focusing on side plank leg lifts. Side plank leg lifts is a core workout that works on your abs, shoulders, glutes, ribs, and thighs. It can be a challenging workout, so it does need practice. Also, avoid doing the planks if you have any issues with your arm or shoulders. KidsHealth.org suggests you aim for between 8 and 15 reps per exercise. If you play a sport, strength training is often included through conditioning drills and activities as well. As usual, if you have any health concerns or if you're extremely unfit, it's very important for you to speak to your doctor before starting any exercise plan. But enough about exercising and a little bit more about food. Let us find out what Chef Mark is cooking up in the kitchen.
Thanks, Milo. Today we will be making a pear and blue cheese pizza. Chef Mark for that yummy recipe. I'm sure everybody loved the recipe just as much as I did. But now it's that time of the show where we have to say goodbye. But you know, I never leave you empty-handed. Do enter the Food Lovers True Cape Pretty Fun competition. The link is on your screen so you can get more information on how you can enter. But from me to you, your girl Mello says goodbye. Peace out.